Touring bikes offer the perfect blend of comfort, performance, and excitement, and here are 5 bikes specifically tailored for beginners. Starting our journey is the BMW F750 GS. Priced at $9,995, this middleweight powerhouse is perfect for beginners looking to elevate their riding experience without breaking the bank. With its robust build quality and imposing road presence, the F750 GS is purpose-built for long-range, road-biased riding. Plus, with features like dynamic traction control and adjustable brake levers, it offers a safe and exhilarating ride for riders of all skill levels. Next up, we have the Triumph Tiger 660 with a starting price of $9,695. This sports roadster is tailor-made for beginners who crave the look and feel of Triumph's iconic triple engine. Its versatility makes it perfect for both city cruising and long-distance touring, while accessories like additional lighting and heated grips enhances its appeal for adventurous riders. If you're looking for something very user-friendly, we have the Honda NC 750X. Priced at $9,399, this often overlooked gem offers a plush ride and an automatic dual-clutch transmission, making it the ideal touring bike for beginners seeking comfort and convenience. With its integrated storage compartment, windshield, and low seat height, the NC 750X is perfect for riders looking to explore the world with ease. Securing the second spot is the Kawasaki Versys X 300. With a starting price of $6,199, this versatile bike offers impressive fuel economy and lightweight maneuverability, perfect for beginners honing their skills on the road. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a weekend getaway, the Versys X 300 delivers a smooth and enjoyable ride every time. And finally, the most affordable, we have the Royal Enfield Classic 350. Priced at just $4,699, this timeless beauty offers simplicity and comfort, making it the perfect touring companion for beginner riders. With its iconic design and manageable power, the Classic 350 is the ideal choice for riders looking to embark on their first touring adventure. Whether you're cruising through the city streets or exploring the great outdoors, there's a perfect ride out there waiting for you.